We purchased the 115 piece Baby Shark party supply, and as you guys can see, that is the label right there. We bought the blue set because we're celebrating our baby boy, but there is also a pink Baby Shark set. So this is the box that it came with from Amazon, and I kind of want to just show you guys everything it comes with. Okay, pull this out here. Okay, the first item we see here is the table cover. Okay, so you get one table cover with it. And the thing about the table cover is in the center it's white, and then on both of the outsides you have the Baby Shark. You have all the Baby Shark cartoon characters on it. Okay, so that's one thing. We do have the banner. It comes with two banners. This is one of them, and it says Happy Birthday. And like I said, this is the blue Baby Shark. There is also a pink Baby Shark. And this is actually the second banner. So it comes with two banners. This is the second one. Okay, this is more of like the flag banner. Okay, so these are the rain curtains. These are the ones that you kind of hang up and it looks like you're going through water. So that's what these are right here. Okay, we have the spoon set. Okay, we have a total of 10 spoons. We have a total of 10 forks here. And then we have also 10 knives, and you could also see we have the Baby Shark right here, and that's actually on all of them, the spoons and the forks as well. Okay. Okay, now we have the blowout. Okay, this is where you could put in their little candy bags, or you could just hand them out. Okay, you got the same thing going on here, and so these are the blowouts. We got 6 here, and then we have 6 here. Total of 12 blowouts. So this is the Baby Shark plates, and there's a total of 10 of these, okay? 10 Baby Shark plates. Okay, we have napkins here, and it's a total of 20 napkins. Okay, it looks like they're on both sides, okay? Okay, so it comes with, these are aluminum balloons, and it says do. So D-O-O, D-O-O, do, you know, the whole Baby Shark singing. So that's the aluminum balloons right here. And as you guys can see, it does not come with a helium tank, so you're gonna have to blow these up somehow. Now we have it's a set of 10 balloons, regular balloons. So, you know, these ones you could blow up yourself or have them blown up by helium, but here they go, a set of 20. Okay, here's the balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we do have 10 balloons here. These are the Cupcake Toppers. So they just go right on top of the cupcakes, and you can see they're like a toothpick. You just plop them in there, hand them out. The kids are gonna go crazy over these right here. Okay, so it does come with all of these stickers you see here. Okay, you could use these for the party. You could use them for anything you guys want. Okay, and I do like them. They are good quality. Now here goes the set of 68 tattoos. And here they go right here. You can see it has instructions here, but here's all 68 of them. Okay, looking good, looking good. Now it does come with 2 aluminum Baby Shark balloons. Okay, so you guys are gonna have to get these blown up by helium. Okay, you know, one of the things when I bought this, I was kind of concerned about the quality, but everything that I've seen here so far in the set looks of high quality. It looks great. I mean, it's a great price as well as a great quality, so I really do like it. So here we have the candy bags. So we have a set of 10 candy bags. Let's pop them open real quick. Okay, here is one bag. Okay, like I said, it's good quality. Just white on the inside. And then we got the whole Baby Shark crew right here. And like I said, you guys, everything I've seen so far in this box is high quality. Okay, so it does come with a ribbon here. Okay, that's for the decoration. And then we do have 2 straws. And then we have the whole happy birthday. And it does come with a business card.